Hello friends, welcome back to our WeeklyTools channel. If you're like me and hate seeing that pesky check engine light pop up without knowing what's wrong, then you're in for a treat today. We're going to take an honest look at the TOPDON AD500 OBD2 Scanner. Is it a must-have for your car toolkit, or just another disappointing gadget? Stick around, and I'll tell you everything you need to know. What is the TOPDON AD500? So, let's start with the basics. The TOPDON AD500 is an OBD2 scanner designed to help you diagnose your car's issues, saving you time and money on trips to the mechanic. It boasts a 4-inch color display, built-in library of diagnostic codes, and it works with most vehicles made after 1996. All right, now let's talk features. First off, it can read and clear diagnostic trouble codes. Got an engine light on? No problem, it'll tell you exactly what's wrong. Graphic live data stream, battery voltage monitor, historical diagnostic records, lifetime free updates, auto VN technology, 6 reset function, oil reset, EPB reset, SAS reset. Also, I could see live data like engine temperature, fuel trim, O2 sensor readings, and more. It also supports emissions readiness tests, so you'll know if your car can pass a smog check. Let's talk about hardware and user experience. 2 GB RAM, 32 GB storage, and 1.5 GHz 4-core processor. 3,350 mAh battery for extended usage. Here are some pros and cons. Pros: comprehensive system coverage, full OBD2 functionality, essential service functions, portable and durable design. Lifetime free software update. Cons: limited advanced bi-directional controls, no coding or programming functions, not a full system scanner. If you're interested in purchasing this scanner, you can find a link in the description below. All right, so here's my honest take. The TOPDON AD500 OBD2 Scanner is a solid choice for anyone who's serious about taking care of their car without spending a fortune at the shop. If you're someone who likes to stay informed or even fix minor issues yourself, you'll love having this in your glove box. What do you think? Have you tried this scanner or something similar? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful. Subscribe for more honest reviews and car tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.